Hello, this is Mike PHP. In this tutorial, I will show you on how to display list of data from the database. So we have installation file, download this one, and if um, copy this one and place it on our desktop. So we already have that zip file and extract this zip file and open the folder, then click the admin folder. Now on our controllers, please remember that we are on the administrator. So administrator, then components, com hosting, then click the controllers and open the host.php file. So we have click this one and edit our view or our landing page, add s. Then let's add a new function add. So copy this and paste it here. So the next is go to our models and copy the file host with s on the last host and paste it on the models folder. And go to the views and copy the host folder and paste it on the views folder. So let's refresh it. Now it shows that data, it's from the database. So if you will add, then you can add another one. So let's try sample 2. So it's required. By the way, it's required because if you will inspect the element, or if you will check the forms, the XML file, then it is set to required. By the way, here it's required. So save it. Then here's the another one, data.